So if you're trying to turn on vanish mode on Instagram and you are not able to for some reason, let's see, you get this message that the account cannot receive messages in vanish mode. That usually means that either you or they have a professional account, and with a professional account, it doesn't let you turn on vanish mode because you might miss messages. Another reason would be, following. Are you following them? Are they following you? And if they're not following you, you might end up in that other folder that nobody ever checks and they completely miss your message because it's in vanish mode. So let's actually go through how to turn off the professional account on Instagram. If your account is not in the professional, you can send this video over to whoever you're trying to DM in vanish mode so that they can learn how to turn off their professional mode. But it's actually really easy. What we do is just hit our account icon here, open up our page, and then I'm just going to select this professional dashboard option. And then at the top, I'll hit the settings wheel. And inside of the settings, I'm going to go down to switch account type. And I'm going to switch this to a personal account. We'll confirm. And yeah, you can tell that that has switched because my analytics that were there originally are gone. So now you should be able to DM people who don't have professional accounts in vanish mode. As I was saying, the professional mode is usually the culprit here. I hope this helped. If it did, if you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.